In this video we can talk about top 5 Dream by Wombo Alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives School channel. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. If you are a fan of the popular app Dream by Wombo, but you're looking for some fresh alternatives to spark your creativity, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to Dream by Wombo's top 5 alternatives including Dall E, Midjourney, NightCafe Creator, Bing Image Creator, and Jasper that will take your digital artistry to new heights. The first alternative is Dall E. Dall E is an incredible AI system that transforms textual descriptions into stunning, lifelike images and artwork. It offers features like original image expansion, photorealistic images, and 4x greater resolution. Whether you need visuals for your blog, social media, or any creative project, Dall E can generate impressive images that will captivate your audience. One of its standout features is its ability to generate diverse and imaginative visuals, showcasing the power of AI-driven creativity. Next up, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is a versatile creative tool that combines AI and design to help you craft beautiful visuals. It offers features like image editing, templates, and customizable elements. With Midjourney, you can effortlessly create eye-catching graphics, social media posts, and presentations without any design skills. One of the standout features of Midjourney is its innovative research lab focused on expanding human potential. Moving on, we have NightCafe Creator. NightCafe Creator is an innovative tool that brings your imagination to life through AI painting. It offers features like AI art therapy, text-to-image AI, NFT art creation, and stable diffusion. Whether you want to recreate a famous painting or explore your own artistic vision, NightCafe Creator provides a unique and immersive creative experience. Its standout feature lies in the ability to generate personalized art that captivates users with stunning and unique visual compositions. Our fourth alternative is Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator empowers users to effortlessly generate AI images using Dall E, transforming text prompts into visually stunning results. It offers features like background removal, customizable template, and text-to-image. Whether you need images for your website, presentations, or marketing materials, Bing Image Creator has got you covered. One of its standout features is its ability to produce diverse variations of images, to let you explore different visual interpretations of your text prompts. Last but not least, we have Jasper Ai. Jasper Ai is an AI writing tool that takes your content creation to new heights. It offers features like language translation, template library, brand memory, and browser extension. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Jasper can assist you in generating engaging and compelling written content. One of Jasper's standout features is its ability to generate art styles that perfectly match your desired mood, allowing you to evoke specific emotions. Compared to Dream by Wombo, Dall E takes your textual descriptions and brings them to life with astonishing visuals with the power of AI-driven artistry. Midjourney, on the other hand, expands your creative horizons and lets you explore the cutting edge of AI art. NightCafe Creator draws inspiration from Vincent van Gogh's masterpieces, allowing you to transform your photos into stunning art pieces reminiscent of his iconic style. Bing Image Creator provides a vast collection of high-quality images to help you create visually captivating artwork effortlessly. Lastly, we have Jasper, that provides a more intuitive interface and a wide range of customizable options, giving you greater control over your creations.
Among these 5 alternatives, we would Midjourney to take the crown. With its advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, Midjourney pushes the boundaries of digital art creation and offers you a unique platform to explore new dimensions of creativity. We hope this comparison has shed light on the strengths and unique features of each alternative to Dream by Wombo. Remember, the best choice ultimately depends on your specific creative goals and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.